We're discussing big news about one of the most important players in the crypto world, Tether. Let's dive in. Tether, the company behind the massive stablecoin USDT, is facing new regulatory threats from the US government. With a market cap around $120 billion, Tether's USDT acts as a digital stand-in for the US dollar. It's the third largest cryptocurrency by value and the most traded token every day. USDT is crucial for crypto markets, especially where traditional currencies aren't allowed. However, this potential US crackdown could significantly impact Tether and create ripples throughout the digital asset industry. Many see Tether as too big to fail, so any regulatory action may bring big changes. At BlockZa, we'll keep you updated as this story unfolds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for the latest on crypto regulations and market news. Thanks for watching, BlockZa.